Welcome to our channel, where we explore the rich tapestry of Korean cuisine. Today, we're diving into the world of Gyeongdan, a delightful traditional Korean dessert that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Let's start with our ingredients. You'll need glutinous rice flour, sweet bean paste, coconut flakes, and a touch of sugar for that perfect sweetness. First, combine the glutinous rice flour with water and knead until you have a smooth dough. Then, take small portions of the dough and flatten them in your palm. Next, add a dollop of sweet bean paste to the center of each flattened dough piece. Feel free to get creative with your fillings, nuts, seeds, or even fruit make for delicious variations. Now, carefully encase the filling by rolling the dough into small, round balls. This is where the magic happens. To add that extra touch of flavor and texture, roll your Gyeongdan in coconut flakes, sesame seeds, or even powdered sugar. It's all about personal preference. And voila! Your homemade Gyeongdan are ready to be enjoyed. These little treats are not only a delight to the taste buds but also a feast for the eyes. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Korean culinary inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking!